Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the metal tool chest series. If you remember back in part 1 with the tool chest that I opened up and the amount of tools I took out of it, amongst the load of crap as well, I've had to start breaking it down in sections so I can show you guys the different things I've pulled out. This video I'm going to be showing you the spanners or wrenches, depending on what part of the world you're actually in. So yeah, sit back and let's see what we can find. Right, so when we look through these spanners, I'm not going to go through each and every individual make and the history behind it and stuff like that. Obviously, you guys out there, you'll probably be able to tell me more about these spanners than I will. So I'm just going to briefly go over what I've actually pulled out. If there's anything that stands out that you think I'm onto a winner or something that's actually collectible, then put it down in the comments. Let me know. It's a learning curve for me as much as anything else. Right, let's get on with it. Right, so to start with, we have got 4 golden spanners. We've got 2 open-ended spanners and we've got 2 double box spanners. As you can see, they're going to need a bit of cleaning up, which is going to be, well, quite familiar for all these spanners. I think nothing here actually is nice and shiny, so a bit of a wire wheel. They should clean up quite nicely. Also got 3 spanners here which are Russian made. You've got 2 made in the USSR and 1 made in Yugoslavia. I really don't know much about these, but you know, yet again, they just need a bit of a clean up. Right, we've got 4 Allura spanners. 1 open-ended one which ain't actually in bad condition, to be fair, and then we've got 3 double-ended box spanners. Yeah, I mean, all the finish is coming off of these, but still nice spanners. We have got a King International 6-inch adjustable, all moves freely, works quite nice. Next to an old, if you can see that, King Dick. Bit of a clean up. Right, so I have got 5 Assessor. Yet again, I don't really know anything about these. These are made in Spain. If anybody can tell me some more information on it, then as I say, please just leave it in the comments. It is a learning curve. There's an amount of makes out there that I really don't know. Got 3 Fuller, made in Japan, double-ended spanners, not in bad condition at all actually. They're quite nice. Moving on to Gador, we have got 6 Gador spanners. 2 not in much bad nick, but no, these are definitely going to need a clean up, and this one is, well, if it focuses, just a single open spanner. Right, moving on here, we have got 3 Renault spanners, 1 Toyota spanner, and we've got a nice old Jaguar spanner. I'm presuming these come out of sort of old car toolkits. Yeah, again, just needs a clean up. Hopefully that'll come up looking quite nice. 6 Williams Super Slim spanners, open-ended, quite nice size, nice weight, good quality to them. Not 100% sure on this. I think it's more like an ignition spanner. I'm probably wrong on that, but feel free to correct me. Kamasa, 3 ring spanners and 1 small adjustable spanner. This is actually seized completely. That's going to need a good clean up, but I'm sure we can get that to work. Brittle, got quite a large double-ended box spanner. smaller one, and a couple of just open-ended spanners there. Now these were quite nice. Star wheel motors. When I've looked into these are actually, well, quite good quality spanners, and I think there's people out there that actually like them quite a lot. So I was quite happy to get these for. Hazat. Yet again, didn't really know anything about this, but looking at some information on them, they're actually quite collectible spanners, I believe. Definitely good quality. And then we have a few Everest spanners. Don't know a lot about Everest, but looking into it, the two here, if you notice here, it's got the number 22 on them. And apparently the number 22 were what they put in the Porsche toolkits back in the 60s and 70s. A lot of people like these to make up the original toolkits. And looking at the price of actually the 4 original toolkits, I can see why people will pick up individual spanners. They're absolute fortune. Then we have a couple of adjustable wrenches here, and this one, which I actually found was quite a nice sort of spanner. No maker's mark on this, so I'm not fully sure what it is, but something about it, it's just really nice. It's small. And that's all the spanners that come out of the box. There was quite a few, I'd say another sort of 20 or 30 spanners which were sort of unbranded, that I've just put in a pile. Weren't really worth showing. Right, okay, so thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the videos and you fancy subscribing, then that'll be much appreciated. And keep your eye out for part 3, where we're going to go through pliers, side cutters, channel locks. So hopefully see you in the next video. Take care.